What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for opening this video. This is Trading with Saisha. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and let's be a family. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a trade that we took and a signal that I sent to my group. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to hit that like button and also follow me on Instagram. That is where I share a lot of my updates regarding my trades and all of that. So another thing also, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below. I also share chart setups and signals there. So today we traded Gbpusd. All right, my analysis was very simple. I've been analyzing over the weekend, so I knew what I was getting into when we placed this trade. So the first thing that I'm just going to talk about is a certain level right here in the market that I saw. I understood that this is a level where market can possibly reject on just because of the multiple rejections that has been happening on this level. And also we have this amazing uptrend that was broken last week impulsively, and I understand that, all right, so the market was moving on an uptrend and then it was impulsively broken by these huge candlesticks, bearish candlesticks right here. And whenever we have something like this, we already know that this uptrend is being violated, right? I don't care about this downtrend that was happening here. What mattered to me was the pullback that was going to happen. All right, the pullback in respect of this level that I drew here. This is what I cared about. And also looking at the candlesticks on the 4-hour time frame. The candlesticks were failing to create the lower lows and the lower highs that the market has been created. So when the candlesticks got to this level where I was expecting some rejection, you could see that, okay, market is failing to break this level and it's failing to create lower lows for a while here. Once I saw that the market was kind of failing to create lower lows, I was obviously expecting a breakout out of this range, because this is a tiny little range, but when you move to lower time frames, let's say the 15-minute time frame, you have a clear picture of this range. All right, so let's move back to the 4-hour. All right, so when I got to the 4-hour time frame, I took my trend line and I tried to draw just for confirmation of a change in the direction for a little while. All right, it's not too much, just for the confirmation part. And then when I saw that this candlestick broke above the trend line, I also saw that it created a high right here. Let's move to the 1-hour time frame so that you can clearly see the information that the market gave me. All right, so when the market broke out of the trend line and broke out of this previous high right here, I knew that now the market was going for that pullback. And the reason why I say this is a pullback is because obviously this was an impulsive move to the downside. And when the market creates an impulsive move, it obviously, and also breaking the trend line, it obviously wants to create that downtrend, and that momentum is to the downside. All right, and so buying here, for me personally, with my trading strategy, buying and holding for a long time, I don't think it's a good idea. All right, so this was just a matter of entering a trade and getting out really quickly out of those important levels where I see potential rejections on. All right, and so as you can see, guys, I sent the signal on my group here. I sent the signal right here on my group. I told everyone to buy. There was take profit number 1, take profit number 2. Right, stop loss, use good risk management. And then for a few hours later, probably like 2 hours or 1 hour later, we had the first take profit or the first target get hit. So take profit number 1 was hit. And then, as you guys can see right here, first target was already met. And then a few hours later, take profit number 2 was hit. And so this is how we traded Gbpusd. It was just a matter of trading the pullback, because I do believe that this is a pullback. All right. So after the breakout out of this previous high, this is where I looked for some entries, and also not forgetting, some of the confirmations that were there presenting themselves in the market. This double bottom right here was also so visible to me to see that, okay, this market is now trying to reverse for a little while. And also this double bottom, when we broke the neckline, this is another confirmation for your entry, and that is where we took those big buys, as you guys can see right there on my screen. Entered some buys there, and then the first target was obviously in respect of the rejection levels that the market created before, and then our last target was right here, just in case the market decides to respect this price level right here. This price level has been respected before, as a support and then resistance. So I was afraid that the market would obviously respect it again as a resistance and then try to push to the downside. But now we are actually here, and so I don't know what the market will do here. Hopefully it reverses so that it continues with its downtrend. All right, since the bigger picture is to the downside, lower lows have been created and structure is purely to the downside. But we'll never know with the market. We just have to respond to whatever the market is telling us or showing us. But I like to keep everything simple with me. I don't like confusing myself a lot, and this takes practice. You just have to practice and get used to the market and how it moves. You'll be able to enter, or you'll be able to find some good, awesome trades. Thank you so much, guys, for opening this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want more videos, just let me know down on the comments what you want me to do videos on, and I will do the videos for you and upload them here. Thank you, guys. Follow me on Instagram. Join the Telegram group. Peace and love.